JK Sports! Guys, welcome back to another video, and make sure you do what this says right here. Yeah, you need to also read the backside here, right there. If you need to pause the video, make sure you do, or if you need to pause the video to read it. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. Let's hit let's try get 100 subscribers here in 2 weeks. Why not? We're gonna set a subscriber goal. Let's go get 100 new subscribers in 2 weeks. Might as well. Turn on your notification. So today, I have Legos. Not just this. Not just here. I'll just show you how much is in here. Not just those, but also more Legos. Okay. So yeah. I don't really know what I'm gonna build yet, but we're gonna figure out something. I'm thinking of making some type of contraption. So yeah, we'll like do time lapse here. So let's start that. Okay, guys, so I was trying to add on the steering wheel, and the steering wheel for some reason won't go on in the front here. But yeah, this is kind of like, I would call it kind of a 4-in-1, I guess, because you could say that, you know, there's wings here, engines back here in the back, both sides. I mean, I guess if you took the tires off, it could become a boat too, you know? I mean, either way, it's a 3-in-1, I guess, so, yeah. It was actually really fun to build, and yeah, so now I've got a boat slash airplane slash car thing. So yeah, guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications bell, and I'll see you. And also, yeah, before I say that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So yeah, and then leave a like, and then yeah, turn on your notifications bell, and I'll see you next time for my JK Sports.